I have chronic hives. Let's talk about it. So, what's chronic hives? Well, it's a disorder where you have constant breakouts of hives, whether you're around allergens or not. Allergies can definitely make the itching worse, but it's not the main cause when you have the disorder. I take Zyrtec as well as using hydrocortisone cream to help keep it down a bit. I get hives all over my body, especially my arms, wrists, and palms. It affects my thighs pretty badly too, and when it's really bad, it gets on my back and chest. That mixed with the heat rash due to sensitive skin and living in the most hellish state of Arizona. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Asher falls back.